Hello everyone and welcome to Goes to 11 Gets Spun. Today I'm going to show you how we assemble one of our size 3 brass Balo spoons that we've milled three 3/16 inch pockets into. We call this lure the Clops because it has 3 eyes. Today we'll be using some 3/16 red prism eyeballs in there, and I'll show you how we do that. We'll just line the eye up with the center of the pocket, drop it in. These are adhesive eyes, so they stick pretty good. They're pretty high quality eye. So try to keep them in the center of the pocket as much as I can. In there. And those prism eyes, they reflect the light pretty good, if you can see that. Once we have the eyeballs installed, throw our split ring on there. On this size of spoon I like to use a size 4 treble hook. We can use single hooks on them if people choose. When I install my treble hook, I typically put it so that two of the barbs are on the table and the eye is facing flat up to me. That helps the hook lie flat along with the blade. Mostly it's easier for packaging when we package them up. So that was the red eyes. We do also have them with pink eyes, yellow eyes, green eyes. That's actually ready to use now. You could also, if you wanted, put some UV resin on top of there to make the eyes a little bit more protected, but they're actually down in those pockets and that adhesive on there is pretty good, so I don't have any fear that they'll stay in there. I'll show you some of the others that we've done. This one is chartreuse, like a yellow chartreuse. This one's got orange eyes, green eyes, pink eyes, and blue eyes. These iridescent eyes, actually, they really reflect the light. They're pretty cool. But anyways, thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and tap the reminder bell so you don't miss any further content from Goes to 11. If you'd like to purchase any of these products, they're also available at fishingandoutdoors.ca and fishingandoutdoors.net. Tight lines, everybody.